Now let's discuss legend for size of points. Legends for size of points. So sometimes the legend defaults are not sufficient for the given visualization. For example, perhaps you're using the size of points to mark certain features of the data and want to create a legend reflecting this. Here is an example where we'll use the size of points to indicate populations of California cities. We'd like to we'd like a legend that specifies the scale of the sizes of the points, and we'll accomplish this by plotting some labeled data with no entries. Well, let's start. It's a pretty long code, but we can put under this PD cities equals to PD. We have to go to okay. So before we write the data, you should go on to this website. Just go till tree, then you will go to the data file, then you will find the file California cities. So now you have to save that file, California cities. Here you can find that. And now we will write code. Wait a minute, let me see where I have saved that file. Yes, it's on my desktop. Import pandas as PD. Cities is equals to PD dot read CSV desktop cities dot CSV. We have this. Now extract the data we are interested in. Now latitude, longitude, cities, LATD, cities equals to, so population, area, cities, population, total, cities, total, KM2. Now scatter the points using size and color, but no label. PLT dot label. C is equals to np dot log 10 population C map vary this is equals to area line width is equals to 0, alpha is equals to 0.5, plt dot axis aspect equals to equal plt dot x label longitude latitude plt dot color bar label is equals to log dollar sign $10 $, population. Now plt dot clim 37. Now here we create a legend. Here we'll create a legend. We'll plot empty lists with the desired size and label for area in 100, 300, 500. plt dot scatter c is equals to k alpha 0.3 s equals to area label str area plus km $sign cap to now plt dot legend scatter points equals to 1 frame on equals to label spacing is to 1 title is equals to city area. Now plt dot title California cities area and population. Let's wait. I hope we can do this error free. Yes, we did it. Okay, so the legend will always reference some object that is on the plot. So if we'd like to display a particular shape, we need to plot it. In this case, the objects we want, gray circles, are not on the plot. So we fake them by plotting empty lists. Notice too that the legend only lists plot elements that we have a label specified. By plotting empty lists, we create labeled plot objects that are picked up by the legend, and now our legend tells us some useful information. This strategy can be useful for creating more sophisticated visualizations.